Hi guys, welcome to another video. If you are watching my video for the first time, so please click on subscribe for more updates. So let's get into the details. As we start a new decade, the top trends for business analytics platforms are cloud, artificial intelligence, automation, on-device analytics, and argumentation. So cloud ecosystems empowered with AI have matured greatly in recent years. Smart arguments, prediction, and decision making tools are at a stage where they are ready to be deployed across organizations, from the boardroom to the shop floor. The challenge is making sure your business is ready to use them. Though cloud will continue to encroach on all areas of business computing, including analytics, the ability of platforms to integrate edge applications into their ecosystem is also increasing. This means that greater volumes and variety of data can be stored and analyzed locally with no need for to send backwards and forwards between the user and the cloud. For increased efficiency in some cases, this is helping alternative security and privacy. So this means the biggest barriers and benefiting from the advanced analytics are certainly now organizational rather than technological. The barriers to enter to falling consultancy and constantly, but every business is at ready to drive in headfirst. However, the unique business challenge part about this year and unpredicted global events means that leveraging data driven efficiency and growth strategies is more important than ever. So, here is the overview of the best and most popular analytics and business intelligence platform at this time. So, the range from free open source solutions to fully serviced commercial packages. Although most offer a free trial to give a flavor. So, so I would like to explain in this video. So this means the biggest barriers and benefiting from the advanced analytics are certainly now organizational rather than technological. The barriers to enter to falling consultancy and constantly, but every business is at ready to drive in headfirst. However, the unique business challenge part about this year and unpredicted global events means that leveraging data driven efficiency and growth strategies is more important than ever. So, here is the overview of the best and most popular analytics and business intelligence platform at this time. So, the range from free open source solutions to fully serviced commercial packages. Although most offer a free trial to give a flavor. So, so I would like to explain in this video what are the most top 10 technologies you should learn in 2020. So first one is point number 1, Microsoft Power BI. So Power BI is an end-to-end analytics solution that has the huge advantage of being immediately familiar to most information workers due to the way it slots into the Office 365 ecosystem. However, it only comes as a standard with enterprise license. So Power BI has been around for nearly 10 years now and has become the analytics workhorse of choice for thousands of organizations. But its most recent editions have planted it firmly at the head of the pack thanks to comprehensive and constantly evolving automation and augmentation capabilities. Number 2, Oracle Analytics Cloud. Oracle, it's the original king of hill when it comes to databases. It has in recent years revamped and relaunched and its product and service offering to fit with cloud and AI era. Its natural language capabilities are among the most sophisticated in the field, accepting the queries in more than 28 languages. So, and also more than any other platform. So, Oracle is also pushing hard on the concept of an autonomous database. This means using machine learning language algorithms to carry out many of the functions that would previously have required organizations to employ the expensive human database administrator to carry out. This includes the data management, security updates, and platform performance tuning. Number 3, IBM Cognos Analytics. Cognos puts AI at the forefront of IBM's own end-to-end analytics solution, enabling users to ask and to receive answers to their queries in natural language. This means that rather than simply giving you graph and charts at a look at, it can explain what each one means and the point you towards the insights it thinks you to should getting the more information about the objects. It also uses at a high level automation for its data cleaning and preparation functions, meaning the AI will automatically spot and clean up bad data and remove duplicate information or highlight areas where something is missing. As with a Microsoft solution, it can be run entirely in the cloud or installed locally on premises, depending on your needs and the requirements of the data you are working with. Number 4, ThoughtSpot. ThoughtSpot is another comprehensive analytics suite that lets you query database in natural language and emphasize a friendly pick up and play approach to analytics. It incorporates UI features that will be familiar to anyone which is used to social media, such as autonomously curated feeds provided real-time insights into what is going on with your data. This is a great move as social networks have evolved to become entirely efficient at generating user enablements and adapting their innovation to fit an analytics platform has proven to be a winning formula. Its AI powered assistant, Spot IQ, uses machine learning language to understand what is user thinking and makes suggestions, and also pointing out insights that may have been overlooked and suggesting alternative methods. Point number 5, Click. It also has ClickView, ClickSense, Click and Printing, some other products. So Click is another key player that has made confident moves into machine learning driven automation and most apparent in its associative engine that lets user to see connections between important data points before they make a single query. Another advantage of that Click data literacy project initiative is backend into the platform which aims to ease the pain of introducing analytics tool across traditionally non-technical or the non-data savvy workforces. So number 6, Apache Spark. Spark is a mature open source platform that has been around for 6 years and has become incredibly popular during the time. That means there is a rich ecosystem of extensions and plugins making it up just about any enterprise analytics task, such as it also provides M library machine learning libraries. It also has huge community of users and vendors offering support and assistance. So its applications are adaptable to workforces of different levels of IT skills. And as you would expect, it integrates easily with other Apache projects such as Hadoop. Number 7. CSense. CSense is another solution that has grown in popularity and developed reputation as a market leader. It excels at allowing users to create collaborative working environments where they can slice and dice and analyze the data as the team. Using this cloud accelerated BI features also possible to driven into this. So the data can be lifted from just about any source due to its API fast echoes, and it's also powerful at the engine levels, but user-friendly web browser interfaces simplifies the process of getting started. Number 8. Talent. The Talent is another very popular platform that has increased its automation capabilities in line with the current trend towards machine learning language and smart computing. It also carries out automation data quality and compliance operations in the background to provide its user with faster access to better quality insights. It is also open source, meaning there strong community of users to learn from, work with, and also simple to find easy examples with tool and templates for just about any job you can might need to do. So number 9, Salesforce Analytics. So this Salesforce Analytics this year ranks Salesforce engine has having the strongest capabilities when it comes to automated analytics. There are questions about how company will integrate Tableau technology, which is acquired last year, with its existing and hugely popular cloud analytics tools. Salesforce practically invented data-driven marketing, and its customer relationship management, that is CRM tools, have been industry standard for years. Today, it is continuing to live up to its reputation as leader of innovation and enabling of a level of automation that competitors are struggling to match. So the last but not least, that number 10, the SaaS VIA. The SaaS continues to offer the world's most popular BI platforms, trusted by thousands of companies worldwide, and SAS has built out its visualization capabilities with the release of Visual Analytics, and also component and worked to enhance its automation capabilities. It's designed to let users to keep their entire analytics workflow on one unified platform. So this is all about top 10 technologies you should learn in 2020. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share to your friends. So for more updates, please click on subscribe button. Thank you all.